In this video, I'll be showing you how you can design your channel art using LumaFusion. This is my new channel banner. Let's get started. The first thing you have to do is download an image from Google called the YouTube channel banner template. Open a LumaFusion project and place this image in the main timeline. Everything on your banner must fit inside the text safe area for mobile, because when you upload a banner to YouTube, it gets stretched out for the different device sizes, computers, phones, and tablets. The first thing you need to do is grab a background image from anywhere. Then tap on Frame and Fit, tap on Cropping, and crop your background image so that it fits inside the first gray square. Everything on your banner must fit inside this area to look good on either a phone, a tablet, or a computer. Once you've got the text safe area covered completely with your background image, go back to the main timeline and take a look at it. Everything on this channel banner will be built using LumaFusion's preset titles. The next thing I'm going to do is build the graphic that will go in the center of my channel banner. Choose any preset title you like, double tap on that title to open it, and then you can begin to modify or change it. Notice that you can delete elements on the title screen by tapping on the trash can. I'm going to use this shape as the background for my graphic. Then I'll take two images and place those images on top of this shape. Tap the plus sign, tap the image, and then tap on Select Image from the Properties window. This will bring up the Select Image dialog box, which will allow you to select the second image. Now position the phone frame so that it completely surrounds the picture of the iPhone screen. If you're doing this with video, you would need to take a screen recording. The process is the same. You can use the handles to move the image or the sliders provided. Carefully adjust the phone frame until it looks the way that you want it to. There are two ways to shrink down images. On the title screen, you can use the scale property down at the bottom, or to shrink down an entire image at the same time, use the sliders inside Frame and Fit and shrink it down once more. Once you change the size using Frame and Fit, don't change the size of any component on the title screen. The next thing you'll want to do is add some text to your banner. Notice that this preset title fits inside my image. Obviously, I'm not going to use it like this because the text goes over top of my graphic, but I can modify it. I'm going to keep the two text elements because I can use those. To change the text elements, just select one and type the text that you want. I know you can't see it right now because the text color matches the background color, but don't worry, it's there, and I can show you how to change the color in just a minute. As you can see, I've got space on both sides of my graphic, and on my channel I provide mobile video editing tips for beginners. So that's what I'm going to place in the empty space as my banner text or value proposition, so that when you come to my channel page and you read my channel banner, you'll know exactly what you're going to get on this YouTube channel. I've got a text element that says mobile video, and it fits on the banner. To change text color, tap face color and use this color picker. I need to change the text color so that you can see it. I think I'll use yellow. That looks good. If you want to duplicate that text and use it somewhere else, you can. Once you've selected the face color, tap anywhere on the screen to dismiss the color picker. Then go back up to the top of the shape where you see a duplicate symbol. Tap on it. Once you've duplicated your first text element, you can simply slide it into position like this. That looks great. Then just double tap on the text element and change the text to make it say what you want. I'm going to put in editing tutorials. Like this. That looks great. When you're done typing, tap done, and you'll be returned to the title screen. There's a little eye next to each of the text elements on the title screen. If you tap on it, this will make the text element disappear from the preview window without deleting it. If you tap on the little eye for each text element, it will turn it on or off. If an element is turned off, it will still appear on the title screen. That looks pretty good. I'll type in for beginners. Now that the text says what I want it to, I can tap on the font symbol to choose the font that I want to use. I'll choose Marker Felt. That makes this piece of text easier to read. If you're positioning text like this, you need to make sure that your third text element, this one, does not touch either of the other text elements because that looks bad. You can either long press on the text box and drag it to where you want it, or use the Center X slider to change the position of the text. Using the Center X slider instead of manually moving a text element gives you more control. Right there, looks good. Everything on this banner is inside the text safe area on the template. I'll just change the font one more time to use the Marker Felt Wide font to make it a little bit easier to read. As you change the font, you may need to change the position of your text once more. That looks great. Remember that although this banner looks small inside LumaFusion, it's actually going to be adjusted once you upload it to YouTube, depending on the device you're looking at. You need to replace the rest of the channel banner template because if you look at this on a TV, this whole banner will be visible. To do that, take another copy of your background image and place it down over top of the channel banner template like this. Make sure you see this gold box and tap on Keep Timeline Duration to place that new copy of your background image over top of the channel banner template. Now when you look at a TV, your background image will be visible. Double tap on the image that you just added, go back to Color and Effects, select it from the bottom of the screen, and choose the same color preset that you used for your banner. Now go back to the main timeline and take another look at your banner. Take a snapshot of your banner. This will save a still image of whatever's in the preview window, in this case, your banner. To upload your banner, open the YouTube app and tap on your channel icon in the upper right-hand corner. Select your channel, and you'll be taken to your channel page, where you'll see a group of icons at the top. Tap on the little pencil. To change your banner, tap the camera icon over top of the banner, select Choose from your photos. This will bring up your camera roll. Choose your most recent photo, the one in the upper left-hand corner, and you'll be taken to this screen where you can see that my channel banner fits properly because I used the channel banner template in the beginning of the video. Tap on Select and then tap on Save, and your banner will change. Tap the left-facing arrow in the upper left-hand corner to be taken back to your channel page. Although my channel banner has been updated, like you saw, it may take a few minutes to change on your channel page. If it doesn't change right away, just restart YouTube and your new banner will appear. This is my new channel banner, and this is how it looks on the iPad. Here's how that same channel banner looks on my iPhone. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.